Welcome to Meersburg, a picturesque town nestled on the shores of Lake Constance in southern Germany. Join us on a captivating journey as we explore the rich history, stunning landscapes, and cultural heritage of this charming destination. In this documentary video, we will delve into the story of Meersburg, showcasing its unique blend of medieval architecture, scenic beauty, and vibrant community life. Explore the well-preserved half-timbered houses, adorned with colorful facades and flower-filled balconies, creating a postcard-perfect atmosphere. Wander through the narrow alleys of the old town, capturing the charm of its historical buildings and enchanting squares. Marvel at the elegant Baroque-style Church of Saint Martin, with its intricate artwork and serene ambience. Lake Constance, one of Europe's largest freshwater lakes, plays an integral role in Meersburg's identity. Immerse yourself in the captivating scenery and tranquility offered by the lakeshore promenade, where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy leisurely walks, cycling, or simply basking in the beauty of nature. Discover the lively harbor, bustling with activity as boats sail in and out, connecting Meersburg to neighboring towns and countries. Delve into the details of the Meersburg boat service, an essential transportation link connecting Meersburg to other notable destinations around Lake Constance. Discover the fleet of modern and comfortable passenger boats, designed to provide a smooth and enjoyable ride. Explore the various routes available, allowing travelers to seamlessly explore nearby towns and cities such as Constance, Kostaz, Friedrichshafen, and Manor Island. Experience the magic of sightseeing and leisurely cruises offered by the Meersburg boat service. Join us as we step aboard and set sail from Meersburg, passing picturesque landscapes and iconic landmarks along the way. Admire the stunning shoreline dotted with vineyards, charming villages, and grand castles. Marvel at the awe-inspiring views of the Swiss Alps towering in the distance, creating an unforgettable backdrop for your journey. Learn about the practicality and convenience of utilizing the Meersburg boat service for transportation purposes. Discover the advantages of avoiding traffic congestion by opting for a serene boat ride instead. Explore the flexible schedules, allowing passengers to easily plan their day trips or longer excursions. Whether you're a local commuter or a curious traveler, the Meersburg boat service offers a reliable and scenic way to navigate the lake's attractions. Connections to neighboring destinations to the scenic cruises and comfortable amenities, the Meersburg boat service provides an enchanting experience on Lake Constance. Whether you're seeking transportation, sightseeing opportunities, or simply a peaceful journey across the water, the Meersburg boat service is a gateway to discovering the wonders of this extraordinary region. Meersburg is a town that values its cultural heritage. Explore its vibrant art scene, where local artists showcase their works in galleries and exhibitions. Learn about the annual Meersburg Castle Festival, a celebration of music, theatre, and dance that attracts performers and audiences from around the world. Meet the locals, who warmly welcome visitors and are proud to share their traditions and customs, from wine festivals to regional cuisine. No visit to Meersburg would be complete without indulging in the region's culinary delights. Discover the world of German wines as we explore the vineyards surrounding the town, renowned for producing exquisite wines, including the famous Müller-Thurgau and Pinot Noir varieties. Join us in savoring traditional dishes, such as Swabian specialties and fresh lake fish, at cozy taverns and restaurants, experiencing the true flavors of the region. Meersburg, Germany, encapsulates a perfect blend of history, architecture, natural beauty, cultural vibrancy, and culinary delights. Whether you're fascinated by medieval castles, captivated by stunning landscapes, or eager to immerse yourself in local traditions, Meersburg offers a memorable and enchanting journey through time.